Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image as a promotional shot from a piece for a long time ago. Well, today's subject, and I made this shot with 4x5 reversal film, of course, a long time ago. And I scanned, then I have this image, pencil drawing type image, by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And I make something different image from these two images. Well, let's get started. Now I'm going to turn this pencil drawing type image and let me change the blend mode to different color burn, but that's good. Cool, huh? Yeah, I can find something interesting, cool image from just changing the blend mode. Well, amazing. Look at this. We've never seen this. Color dodge. Wow, this is it. Well, I'm gonna use color dodge later. This is just cool. Overlays, I love this lighten up the flare highlight side. Actually, I made a couple multiple exposure, one for straight shot, and when I have this flare type image, I just put the fog filter on the lens. Then second shot, just on the one piece of the film. That's the way we did make in a long time ago. Analog age. Well, this is vivid light. Well, what's the difference though? Color dodge, vivid light. Gotta see same time. Cannot compare. Looks like it. Oh, this one too. Hard mix, vivid light. It's it's exactly same, huh? Difference, exclusion, and touch different around here. Subtract. That's cool again. Just like image of the Aryan movie Aryan, huh? Divide. This one too. Kind of wet surface look. Well, now I'm very exciting to make something different image from this just regular image. Well, again, I want to see this too. Opacity down to about 60%. Then let me change blend mode on base image. Not much different. Well, but if you move this one, you go up, and this one shows this one. Okay, now change. How's this? Change the image, huh? And this one too. But this interesting hard light, pin light. Okay, bring this one back. Then again. This one brings back to. Now I'm going to change this opacity now. About 60% again. Different impression. Color burn. That's same. Not much. No, this one is. Well. Overlay. Okay. Now what am I gonna do? Okay, first of all, I want to make this canvas to be all black. Well, I'm going to just color fill with black rectangle. Color fill white. Alright, it's all black canvas. First of all, I'm going to duplicate this layer just in case. Keep for this base image now. Then I work on this copy. Let's see what's the exciting image. first change an overlay. I love that. It's pin light now. So I gotta go back. Well, pretty much contrasty. Okay, this is pin light, and just want to compare this base image. I'm gonna go back to normal. Pin light, normal. Pretty harsh highlight. Okay, that's more impression. Strong impression because of the contrast. But I want, this is touch. Just overlay 50%. Makes it touch. Okay. Well, let's have duplicate now. Just for keep. Again, move this one, go up. Opacity about 70% now. Soft light makes just emphasize this base image. Foggy highlight. Okay, now change. This is kind of interesting. Let's see, leave this one vivid light on base image. Then there's two combination, this and this pencil drawing underneath makes this white background, right? So I can add some other colors to play around. So we're gonna work on this base image, vivid 35%. We'll go up to 50. It's kind of darker. Yeah, just touch darker. Okay, leave it 35 on vivid. Layer mode on base image. Then this pencil drawing type is just get the white background. Now just leave this one, then I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Now just leave it that way. Then I'm gonna, okay, this one is vivid. Get this blue or purple edge. If I get two of them vivid, then let's see if I change this. Okay, purple, bluer colors get stronger, like 50%. Or let's see other effect. Shows more sort of flare type, huh? Pin light. If I move this one behind this, shows darker. Okay. Okay, I like this effect of the light flare area only from this. Rather than that, just white background is I like it. So I'm gonna make mask. Now invert mask. Then reveal from this. Okay, I'm not gonna touch on this. I only get this purplish color. Okay, let's see. This tone, which I like, to keep this from this mask. That's all. Okay, now what else? I'm gonna add color under this, in between this base image and this pencil drawing type. So I'm gonna add layer here. Then let's see. How about this bokeh light? Let's see it. Okay, let's see. Paint on this layer, red. Oops. Kinda dirty look. It's not interesting. Yeah. How about different color? Same thing. It's, well, maybe because of this, go up this one. Yeah, that'll make different image, huh? Okay, in that case, let's see, this is same color, so, well, it's kind of interesting, I mean, fun. I guess, yeah, this is just play around some. Same color harmony, or maybe purple, blue, red, just complementary color, orange. Maybe this, yeah. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, I kind of like this. Make it smaller. How's this? Yeah, leave it this way. I kind of like this. Nice illustration. Mask, and just leave the layer, empty layer 8. Just leave it there. Then now, let's see if I see this. Okay, I want to review this mask. Just a touch. Brush is airbrushing, soft blend. I just want to show this red. I just want to add the color. Now what else? Okay, I want to show this. Well, how about for to be real image? So, okay, I'm gonna move this base image, go all the way top. Then just review this mask with same soft blend to show the pearl real image on this layer. Yeah, you can do it. Just a touch, I guess. Let's see, this is a 4 just pearl on this layer. One more touch, something. Let me try some. Yeah, this is nice color. Kind of real general color. I like this. Yeah, from here to continuity, I think. That's nice. Okay, just keep this one on and off. Just touch here. Just a touch image. Now, well, I think this is it for today. I use a lot of images. Well, this is dark lines here. Yeah, just leave it in there. Darken max. Now we have just a touch. I just add the color here, and this one is a lighter color. How about overlay? Overlay is nicer. Yeah. Okay, overlay max. Just a touch texture in it. Yeah, shows more. Only change the color. Clear. Nice. Yeah. Then layer mask on this. Just purple. Maybe I can add some colors too. Why don't I add some kind of red and overlay on this same layer? Add some orange cast overlay. I think orange, yellowish is much more effective. Yeah. Okay, leave it this way. Okay, then this is pearl, which I just painted. I'll paint layers, layer 8. No, this is right, this dark pencil drawing type image. Then this one is overall red base and some very light purple color. And I add this circle stuff, the warm tone. Then this is review image, vivid light, opacity 35%. Okay, well, that's it for today, and I made some kind of illustration image. I kind of like it, this kind of light image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.